'Tis the season to start thinking about all those holiday gifts you will be buying for those you love. And once again this year, we have curated an incredible local shopping guide for every person on your list. And I am so excited to have the one and only Benny Domino of Savou brand here with us.
Thank you. Yes, thank you for having me.
I cannot get over everything on this table. These items are so gorgeous. Tell me a little bit about you and Savou.
So Savou was started in 2005. It's just a name that I came up with. Gucci, Louis, Prada, Savou. Just sounds really good.
It goes right along.
And so, yeah, so since then we've expanded. Now I have over 500 unique items. I design and curate everything. And so, I mean, obviously you see we have pillows, socks, blankets, bags, tote bags. This isn't even, you know, all inclusive of everything that I have on the site. So, you know, shoes, all sorts of merch. And I also am now an author, so I have a comic book. And so that's my first book. It's called Rabbit Comics. So,
I love all of this. So you do way more than just fashion, and I know you are the Fashion Prince of Pittsburgh. So that is your title. Clearly, everything here is so beautifully crafted and created.
Thank you.
But you have even more than that. You do the books. Why would this be such a great gift for somebody?
I would say because it's unique, right? You're not going to go online and find this anywhere other than my site. Everything is curated. I do all of the prints myself, the patterns. Like, this is all custom. It's all me. It's all Benny Domino. So it's a great gift because it's unique. It's quality. And it's just different. Who else do you know has their own comic book, right? Like, so it's a brand new, you know, endeavor, and yeah, it's a great gift. And
I love that you pointed out the quality of all of these items, because you guys, truly everything on here is so beautifully made. It is such good quality. And I love the point that you are not going to be walking down the street wearing one of these items and run into anybody wearing something similar, because each of these is so beautifully curated. So tell me something on this table that you would love to get as a holiday gift. What's your thing that you would, because I already know what I would say. What would you say?
I'm a crow. I like things shiny and blingy, but so I probably would go for actually the blanket that everything is sitting on, which is hard to tell, but it's this blanket here. My blankets are Sherpa lined. They're very warm, all different sizes. So yeah, I'd go for a blanket. This is also a blanket. So this obviously comes with the set, with the bag and the pillow
as well.
And yeah, so probably a blanket.
Perfect. I would probably say the same thing, because I've been back here petting this blanket this whole time. It is so gorgeous, so beautiful. And Benny, remind everybody where they can find all of these gorgeous curated items.
Thank you. Yes. So my website is shopsavou.com. Savou is S-A-V-O-U. And then my book is on Amazon. It's called Rabbit, Rise of Cyrus, Part 1. And I'm also on Instagram. You can find me. Biggie Benzo is my personal, but the Savou brand is Savou_brand.
Nice and easy. Well, now you know where to go to get these gorgeous curated Savou gifts for everyone on your list. And we have all that information right there on the screen for you as well. Benny, thank you so much. This was incredible. And seriously, I am back here just like petting it. This year's holiday gift guide is sponsored by Jordana Michalaki of Elm Law Group. As we all know, accidents go up dramatically during the holiday season, but Elm Law Group is here for you this time of the year and always. To learn more about Jordana and Elm Law Group, visit elmlawgroup.com.